Located above a small secluded rocky cove and has been designed so that it almost completely blends in with its surroundings, Ncaved House is a modern home that's been built into the hillside of Serifos Island in Greece. The house, designed by Mold architects, was a result of trying to create a structure that would be protected from the strong north winds. A rectangular grid was applied to the slope to produce a three-dimensional chessboard of solids and voids, and therefore created sections of open spaces for patios and a swimming pool. At night, lighting exposes the various living areas of the home. Planted rooftops and stone help to blend the home with the natural materials found on the site. There are a wood wall that has an integrated door. The main living level of the home is open plan, with sliding glass walls that open the interior to the outdoor spaces. The kitchen also includes a wood wall, while an island contrasts both the wall and the dining table, which is raised to accommodate stools. A cantilevered staircase is located by a board-formed concrete wall and leads up to the second floor of the home. At the top of the stairs, there's a bridge with railings that overlooks the living areas below. In the bedrooms, the beds are raised up on platforms, giving the user a water view. In a bathroom, a glass wall provides a view of a garden and stone wall. The home also has a swimming pool with uninterrupted views of the Aegean Sea. Supporting the entire home are stone walls, which create the vertical borders. Screens made from wood slats with metal supports provide varying levels of shade for both outdoor and indoor spaces. Here's a look at the plan.